If we just kind of stand here and take a broad look across, the beauty is we can see different colors, we can kind of see different things. Obviously shooting on the straight black, a little bit harder, or lighter colors, we can kind of see where our shot's at, right? And we can see we've got all kinds of different shot patterns going on. So now we've removed the dot out of there, I've added realism to just a piece of material, and we sit there and go, all right, let's shoot on these targets. So again, if you look at it, I'll just use this blue one here as an example. Actually, I'll just use the Pampers one here, right? So we get kind of fixated on something towards the center. So if I look at each one of these targets, each one of these t-shirts, they have something in the center. Pampers, all right there. Tennessee, right? Get a big dot, all right there. Is that really where I want my shots to be? So I don't know. So what I can do is we'll take a look at Tennessee, flip it up, and this is why I don't staple it all the way down. Now I sit there from a lethal force engagement standpoint. Is that really where I want my shots? So again, if we understand anatomy, physiology, our heart sits right up about here, right? So again, that's where I want to get my shots at. And again, I've got the doctor, so if you got input, please let me know. But again, this is where I'm looking to get my shots at. Do I want these gut shots? So you can easily see how just putting a little piece of material that I'm gonna have to, God forbid I'm ever in a deadly force encounter, I'm gonna have to shoot somebody with clothing on, right? Now we can easily see if I've never trained it, my shots aren't gonna be there. And then especially if they've got some type of design on there, even this one here, hey, granted, we've got the little logo up here on the side, but again, our shots are down low.